In this video, I'll be taking our time to educate you on how to easily identify a change of character in the Forex market. So I'll be taking our time to explain how you can spot a change of character from an uptrend structure to a downtrend structure, and also from a downtrend structure into an uptrend structure. In less than 10 minutes, I'll be taking our time to explain how to use change of character. So I want you to understand that change of character is different from break of structure. Break of structure validates your trend, while change of character changes the trend. So let me give you an example. All right. So let us say price creates a high and price creates a low, and the low price created generated a new high above the previous high. What that means is price have created a break of structure already, all right, in this place. So the break of structure validates the trend. So what this has automatically done is that this particular trend, now the break of structure have shown us that we are what? In an uptrend. That's shown us we are in an uptrend. So the more break of structure we make to the upside, the more the uptrend is valid. All right, so that is that for that. Okay, wow, same happens. Okay, let's do same applies to the downtrend. All right, so price creates a low, price creates a high, and price creates a low that breaks below the previous low, creating what? A break of structure. So the break of structure created in this particular scenario now shows that price, the trend is in a downtrend. Okay, so validates the trend as in a downtrend. So the validity of structure is based on the more break of structure you see. So the more break of structure you see to the upside, you are in an uptrend. The more break of structure you see to the downside, you are in a what? A downtrend. But change of character is something way different from that. Okay, change of character changes the trend to the downside. So let's say price creates a high, a low, a higher high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high. Then unfortunately, price come and breaks below the higher low. So the moment at which price breaks below the higher low, so okay, so the moment price breaks below the higher low, automatically we have encountered a change of character. So what does the change of character really stand for? The change of character simply means price have shifted from an uptrend structure to a downtrend structure. So character in price is the trend, the movement of price. That's the character. Okay, so change of character means price have changed the movement. So in this particular example, I'm showing you price have just shifted from an uptrend to a downtrend, just like this. So we see more structures to the downside. All right. So like I was saying, same thing applies to this. Okay. Same thing applies to the downtrend structure. Price creating a low, creates a high, creates a higher low, creates a low, a higher low, a lower low, right? Creates a lower high, rather, creates a lower low. Then price breaks above the previous lower low. So that shows the price. This is our last lower high. So price broke above the last lower high. That shows that we have encountered what? A change of character to the upside. All right. So if you are confused on structure as a whole, make sure you check my YouTube channel. You will see on the playlist, I have a playlist on market structure. You can check it out so it can enlighten you on how to mark out your structures. Okay, so you must understand your structure before you go for a change of character. Okay, so you can see price has automatically shifted from a downtrend structure to an uptrend structure, just like that. So that is the example I have here. You can take a screenshot of this so you can have it in your trading book or whatsoever. Take a screenshot of this. So let us hurry up and do some examples in the live chat and see for ourselves. All right. Like I said before, if you don't understand market structure or you are new to Forex trading, make sure you check out the link I'll drop in the description for you to start your trading journey with basic market structure. So we'll be working with this. We'll be starting using an uptrend structure, creating a change of character to the downtrend. Okay, so we're going to walk this through with this structure. So let us take that for a high. I believe you guys told me we did it before. If you have checked my previous video, you will know what I'm talking about. Okay. So fingers are low. So here's our break of structure to the upside. This is our most recent low at this moment. Price created a new high now here. Okay. And price is back into demand zone. So as it stands, we are currently in an uptrend structure. Price has created a leg here. This is the lowest point price have gone so far. The price is trading between a higher low and higher high. And unfortunately, price have broken above our higher high now. Okay. So price just broke above our higher high, creating a break of structure to the upside. All right. This still remains our most recent low. So this is our most recent higher low now. Okay. This was the newly breaked above, our newly break of structure, and price is giving us another break of structure here. So price broke above that level using this place. And what has happened now is price have just broken below it. So please pay attention. We're in an uptrend structure. Price created a higher low here, and just now price just broke below the higher low. So with the example I've given before, once price breaks below your higher low, automatically that is a change of character. So these are change of character here. All right. So we were in an uptrend before. Price created a higher high, all right, a higher low, a higher high, and price came back down and broke below the higher high. So this is a change of character. So we should expect price to sell to the down, something like this. That's what we should expect. All right. I know it's not that perfect like what we had in the examples, but you can see I followed it bit by bit and we are currently on. So then make sure you pay attention to your high. This is our most recent high. So this is our higher high. So if the price should break above this level, then there's probability will continue buying. But if price doesn't break above it and price gives us a new leg to the downside, that means price have created a lower low. So for now, we have a low here. This is a low because this is the level that broke below the previous high low. So we have a lower low now. You can see we have a lower low. This is a break of structure to the downside. It's a break of structure to the downside, and we have a lower low here. Okay, we have a lower low here. Continue. So we'll continue selling. So far, we have just learned, or rather, watched the price create a change of character and how the price have shifted from an uptrend structure all the way down to a downtrend structure. Okay. So you can see the downtrend structure started immediately after we encountered the change of character. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look for an example on how price shifts from a downtrend structure to an uptrend structure. So far we have had price create lower lows and lower highs, with the moment price broke below the previous higher low to create a downtrend structure. We have done nothing but sell to the downside. Okay, so now we are going to learn how the price is going to shift from the downtrend to the uptrend. this was our most recent low, price in a downtrend structure, and our most recent lower high. So let us monitor the price. On the moment price breaks above our most recent lower high. Okay, so now price is currently selling, so we're in a downtrend structure, and price finally breaks below the lower low to create a new lower low. All right, and here we have it. So price have already broken below it. So like we normally do, you mark out the new low. So this is the new low, it's the lower low, and price have retraced back to the top. So let's see what happens. Price breaks below the new low, and price broke below the new low from this level here. So this is our most recent lower high. Okay, so immediately price breaks above our most recent lower high, a change of character have occurred already. So what we just have to be looking for is a new structure to form to the upside. All right, so that's what I taught you just now, and that's what we're about to encounter now. So this is our lower high rather. This is our lower high, and price is currently reaching out to it. Okay. And price have just broken above it. So price just broke above our recent lower high. So this is our change of characters. So price has automatically broke above it, marking a change of structure to the upside. So let's see what happens after then. Price starts buying. Okay. So the first time we had change of character to the downside, price started selling all the way down. Okay, and now we just encountered change of character to the upside, and price have started an uptrend structure phase. So you can see price just created a new high, and price is down to create what? A new higher low, and price have just created what? A higher high. So this is what we're expecting. So understanding your change of character will help you a lot. So you must first of all understand your main structure before you start looking for how to identify zones or areas where the structure shifts. Okay, so make sure you check out the previous video I dropped on my YouTube channel, which is the market structure playlist. It's going to help you simplify the structure before you check out this video on how to identify change of characters. Thank you.